In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Vivacut AI video editing app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get the right Vivacut app, you need to go ahead and look for Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. And from here, go ahead and tap on search here, or you can search using the option on top here, and then just search Vivacut just as one word, and you can see Vivacut app option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now to find the right app, go ahead and tap on this app with this icon, and this is the app that we are going to download. You can see it is from Vivacut Professional Video Editor, and here is the app, Vivacut AI Video Editor. Now at the time of recording this app has over 1 million reviews with a star rating of 4. And the file size is 134 MBs. Currently, this app has over 1 million downloads. To download and install it, go ahead and tap on this install, and this will go ahead and begin downloading the app. So once the app has been downloaded, it will be installed on your smartphone. Now from here, you can tap on open, or if you go to your apps now, you can see we have a Vivacut app available here. So this is the opening or homepage interface when you open this Vivacut app. So that's how you can download and install Vivacut AI editing app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.